arranged all this tea to all participants outside? Okay.
पास इट ऑन, जो जिसको मन करेगा लेगा.
The point is, your teachers are, they need very serious work, project courses.
करनी चाहिए, लेकिन मैंने ज्यादा प्रेशराइज नहीं किया. जहां से आ सकते हैं लेके आके आवरली बेसिस पे करा रहा हूँ. बाद में ओपन करेंगे, कोई इंटरेस्टेड है टीचर्स तो दे कैन टेक इट.
Yeah, I think we have to get an idea that yes, we are running from them.
बिल्कुल. वहां से है ना एक, वहां पे चल रहा है. पहले होता था या अभी भी है?
दिस सेशन
अब वहाँ हो गया.
मिलिट्री फंक्शन
पहले होते.
from our FDP side, I want to give memento to the director sir.
शिवा मल्टीपल रोल्स प्ले कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा हेल्प करो उसे. और देखो सारे काम खुद ही कर रहे हैं. किसी की ड्यूटी लगा देते हैं. अच्छा,
This is a moment to start from.
थैंक यू. क्या कहा आपने? फोटो इधर करना है? वो तो है, सामने है कैमरा. थैंक यू.
So now HOD Electrical of Engineering Department Aswani Kumar sir. So I am requesting to Sally ma'am, please ma'am, honor to sir.
Thank you.
Now I will give to honor co-coordinator of the SRE department, Sally ma'am. So now we will start the session. Healthy good morning to all of you. On behalf of the organizing committee of the ATAL FDP on hybrid microgrid opportunities and challenges, renewable energy sources. It is organized at a School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency, SREE, NIT Kurukshetra, during December 12 to 23rd, 2022. I am Dr. Sivam, Assistant Professor of Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Kurukshetra. Heartily welcome the Chief Guest, Honorable Director of the Institute and Patron of this event, Professor B.V. Ramna Reddy sir. Coordinator of this course, Professor Ratna Dahiya, coordinator of a School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency, professor in Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Kurukshetra, HOD of Electrical Engineering Department, Professor Ashwani Kumar, and the faculty members and the participants. It gives us immense pleasure to inform you that the School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency, NIT Kurukshetra, has organized ATAL FDP in blinded or hybrid mode. In the first week, 12 to 18 December, in online mode, and in second week, offline mode, which is started from 19 to 23rd December. The primary objectives of this FDP is to provide a national forum to the faculty and research scholars to share the basic knowledge with an objective of understanding the concepts, aspects of penetration of renewable energy sources and electric vehicles with hybrid microgrid integration. For this event, eminent speakers from ITs and NITs have delivered their talks to the participants who were registered for different institutions and universities. Now I would like to share the eminent speaker who have completed the their talk. So in online session, Professor Bhim Singh, Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. He is the chief guest for inaugural function. He delivered lecture on the topic of key challenges and issues of microgrid. Next day, on 13 December, by Professor Devapriya Das, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur, his lecture on the topic of analysis and operation of microgrid, virtual power plant for renewable sources. On 14 December, Professor Ashish Kumar Singh from Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad, his session on the topic of microgrid concept, key challenges and issues. On 5th December, Professor Sukumar Mishra, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Delhi, he had delivered lecture on the topic of issues in microgrid integrated renewable energy system. On 16 December, Professor H.D. Charan, Chairman, National Committee, Universal Human Values, AICT Delhi, his topic was Indian ethos and values. On 17 December, Dr. Nishant Kumar, he is the Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Jodhpur. He delivered lecture on the topic of AI-based grid integrated solar energy conversion system for offline courses, which is started from 19 December. On 19 December in morning session, Professor R.P. Chauhan, Department of Physics, National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra, he has delivered on the topic research methodology. On the same day, second day, which was lab session, schedule was from 2 p.m. to 4:30. In that lab, we have covered SRE lab. There are 2 labs. After over this, we move in advanced power system lab, where microgrid system came, and all participants, they have explored idea on that. On next day, 20 December, morning session, which was covered by Professor Ratna Dahiya. She had given online because she is now right now outside, as well as myself on the topic of power quality issues of hybrid microgrid. In the second session, which was evening session, by Dr. Rajan Kumar, he recently joined Electrical Engineering Department in IIT Kurukshetra. So his topic was development of solar water pumping system using brushless DC motor drive. Similarly, on 20 December in morning, Session was started by Professor D.K. Jain, Department of Electrical Engineering, Devbandhu Chotu Ram University of Science and Technology, Murthal. The topic was voltage and frequency control in microgrid. On the same day, evening session, it was delivered by Professor Varjeet Tyagi, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Roorkee, on the topic of hybrid microgrid operation and input. Now on 22 December, in morning session was started by Dr. Mukhtiar Singh. He is the professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, Delhi Technology University, on the topic of power converter interface for microgrid. And in the evening, lecture was delivered by E.R. Aditya Jha, who he is the senior software engineer in Oracle, India, on the topic of search for happiness. Today, there is only one session, which is started by our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor B.V. Ramana Reddy, on the topic of National Education Policy, NEP 2020 implementation. So now, I would like to invite co-coordinator of the SRE, Dr. Sally Videra ma'am, for her kind words.
I will keep this very short only. First of all, I thank Director Sir for taking sparing the time from his busy schedule, and HOD Electrical Department Ashwini Sir, and all the participants for making it possible and successful this course. We are very thankful to you because we also gain from your interaction and by integrating with you all also. So hope that this session on the whole 2-week program was very interactive, and you have taken that is, it added a value to you. So thank you all for making it successful. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite our HOD Sir, Electrical Engineering Department, Aswani Kumar Sir, for your kind words.
Dr. Sivam, thank you so much. Honorable Director, Professor B.V. Ramana Reddy, all distinct faculty members, coordinators of this workshop, all dear participants. Indeed, it's a great pleasure that School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency organized a 2-week FDP program on a very important topic of hybrid microgrid. This is a very challenging topic today because our country is moving towards the energy security, and around 125,000 megawatt of renewable is already added in the network, which is a huge amount, and we are going towards the self-sufficiency of the electrical demand today. Another thing is that lectures were delivered by most eminent personalities. I hope that all the participants have gained much out of these lectures. I believe that all of you will definitely take away home all these important aspects and start working in this area. How we can have an impact of our technology towards the renewable integration, especially towards the microgrid, hybrid microgrids. And I think most of the participants sitting here, they are either the PhD scholars, faculty members, or our master students. I do request all of you that please take much more interest in studies. We have a lot of hardware available here, a lot of softwares are there. You can learn all this from the faculty members, or you can devote much of the time in the laboratories and start implementing that small projects, how we can apply the important ideas shared in all the sessions with you, so that you can come out with a very important conclusion out of this workshop. So indeed, this is a commendable job done by the coordinators of this workshop, Dr. Sally and Dr. Shivam. I heartily congratulate them. And I definitely, I attended few sessions. I could also gain much of aspects out of the experts. I always believe that let me give something to my students, what new is happening and what new is going towards the technology. So I will also try to have some of the ideas taken out of this workshop as a project and thesis work to my scholars, and how we can have a software and hardware application to the implementation of the important challenging issues today in our sector. So thank you so much, Dr. Shivam, for calling me, extending your invitation to attend this program. Indeed, it's a pleasure and honor to me. Thank you so much. I wish all the best to all of you, and devote much of your time to the studies. Any difficulties to get, please link with me as well as the faculty members. Surely they will help you. And we have a lot of facilities here, but thing is, how do we explore all these facilities? So thank you all. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and motivational words. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Director, sir, for his kind words.
So, my dear colleagues sitting on the dais, and all the participants offline and online, let me compliment the Department of Electrical as well as the School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency to have brought to light a very important topic through an FDP program on hybrid microgrids, opportunities and challenges for renewable energy resources. Now, in today's world, as I told you, we are all looking at the various problems the society is facing or the whole world is facing through sustainable developmental goals that are given there. So all the goals, they are trying to give you the net result of what growth we have done so far and what is that we have to look forward to ensure that we safely pass on Mother Earth from one generation to another generation. I've been telling you now and then. So I think two important aspects which I clubbed up in my exhortations today in the morning is that our education models should look towards, or particularly these technology-driven institutions should look towards sustainable technologies as the future. So one of the components is the renewable energy resources, where we should reduce the use of fossil fuels, try to generate more environmental friendly solutions and resources. So with that, I think the whole world is moving towards that, and in that light, focusing on renewable energy resources in this particular 2-week-long program is commendable. And the second aspect, which is equally important in our education models, is how do we develop wonderful human beings who are sensible towards society and the inhabitants, and think in finding solutions for the mankind, applying humanity and empathy into the whole process. I think these two words, buzzwords, are the essence of the education policy. And I think that gels well with the components of your learning, application of human mind for finding solutions to human problems, but not depleting the energy resources of Mother Earth, and finding ways and means of sustainable technologies. That's the keywords which exemplifies and sums up the ethos and essence of this particular 2-week-long program. So I compliment all the faculty who were involved in this, who are from across the country, and I also compliment AACT and the ATAL program, through which this has been conceived and successfully completed. So Dr. Shivam and other members who have worked hard for it. So 3 cheers for them, and good luck to you, all of you who have got enriched in this process, and hope you are going to use these ideas and these technologies which have been taught to you to put good use to your work where you are doing, and most of you are all PhD scholars. I think you are the right components to understand all the aspects that have been taught to you. As rightly said, explore all the available resources of the departments, and probably interdepartmental work can continue. And I wish all good luck to you all. Love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words, as well as your motivational words, and finally we can say enlightened words. Thank you, sir. So now I would like to invite the participants to share their thoughts and feedback about their learning with this FDP. Yes, someone can say.
Dr. Shivam, you have taken online feedback as well. Come. Feedback is taken. You can speak from here as well. No issue.
Thank you, sir. As I have done my B and M Tech from here, so it is always come home. And which I say that it is due to the NIT Kshetra. Because each and everyone, everywhere where I go, I say just, I have done my B and M Tech from NIT Kshetra. They all think that I have something. So your institute, and from where you have got education, that is the main thing, and you will be known by that. And the main role which I have always feel, as I have done my MTech under supervision of Dr. Ashni Sharma. So sir, which I am today sitting here and got a job in Kurukshetra University, that is always that is due to you, because I have worked very well under your supervision, under your guidance. And when I have any problem, I just came in the department, sir, I have this issue, and they guide me. And each and every FDP, it doesn't mean that you will get all the things very well, but you will get some timeline, something good, or some session is which make that, okay, this is our goal, that I have to work on that line. I have to work in this field. In every session, it cannot be that you will get all the things. But in each and every FDP, there is something which help you in your research work. All the session will not be informative for you because you are working on your field. But something you will get, or some help from any session will you get in each and every FDP. And you have to work. Don't be in pressure. Just enjoy it and do your work honestly. When you work honestly, in one day you will get. Thank you. In each and every session, and the most probably I am saying that in the online session, the session is on the microgrid. That is, I think, that the best session which I have heard and attending number of FDP on the microgrid system, but that session was the very, very best. So thank you very much.
Good afternoon. First of all, I want to thank the leadership of NIT Kshetra, and then the Department of Renewable Energy, and then the organizers of this very important training. When I took I was taught renewable energy as a course. There were a lot of things they mentioned I had not seen some before. But during the lab session, for the first time, I was able to appreciate what I was taught. And I think that the training that has been given to us this week, personally for me, is very good. I don't think it is in any curriculum. It is not taught in class. And so I've learned a lot of things from a lot of professors and experts during these 2 weeks. And I am very happy. And I would like to say that more should be done in the future. Thank you very much.
So now the time for vote of thanks. So it is honored to propose vote of thanks. So we pay our sincere thanks to the Honorable Director, Sir, NIT Kurukshetra, Professor V.V. Ramana Reddy, all deans, Head of the Electrical Engineering Department, Professor Aswani Kumar, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Hari Singh, Head of the Civil Engineering Department, Professor Arun Goel, coordinators of the School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency, Professor Ratna Dahiya, Dr. Sally Vadera, faculties of School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency, Dr. Anil Kumar Dahiya, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Dr. Pradeep Kumar, and faculties and participants. We also pay our sincere thanks to registrar, faculty members, staff members of the institute, and all administrative authority for their continuous support in organizing this 2-week ATAL FDP. We pay our sincere thanks to all the eminent experts who agreed to deliver their talk in this ATAL FDP. It is honor for us that eminent experts in their area are delivered talk in this program. I have shared about all the eminent speakers. We sincerely thank all of them for sparing their valuable time out of their busy schedule. We thank all the participants for showing their interest and registering in this ATAL FDP. We thank AICT Training and Learning Academy for selecting this FDP topic, one of the 200 selected FDP topics out of 3,000 in the current academic year from all over India, and sponsoring and providing financial support for this program. We thank all the participants for showing their interest and registering in the ATAL FDP. Last but not least, we thank everyone for their support to organize this FDP ATAL successfully. Thank you, one and one. Thank you. Thank you to everyone.
Is there any tea for all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Tea available outside, sir.